Hello everyone, myself Kunda Rakesh. I am basically from Vizianagaram district in Andhra Pradesh. I completed my BTech at Raghu Engineering College in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering in the year of 2023 pass out. After completing my graduation, I am currently looking for the IT job in and one of my friends suggested me to the Evision Technoserve platform. So I was joined in 45 days training and internship program. In that internship program, I have learned all the courses about the basic virtualization, basic CCNA and Windows servers and ITIL framework and the Windows administration and many of the things. After completing my 45 days of training, I getting calls from the different type of IT companies. So I finally placed in a WNS company in Visakhapatnam. I got the package of 2.6 LPA. So special thank you for the Priyanka ma'am, Deep ma'am, and Ganesh sir, Rahul sir for the supporting me for getting placed in MNCs. So I suggest to everyone who are looking for the job and better future to start in a career in IT sector. I highly recommended Evision Technoserve for the better future and startup career. Thank you all.